is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I do not promote anything illegal. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I do not promote anything illegal. It's educational purposes only. Educational purposes only. Good morning, good morning. So right now we are looking at US30. I'm currently on a 1 hour time frame. What's good? All right, y'all. So right now I'm looking at US30. I'm currently on a 1 hour time frame right now. Let's just replay pretty much what happened yesterday. So yesterday, I told you guys that I was bearish, and I gave you guys the levels where I wanted price to go. Pretty much took out this double bottom right here, or this liquidity. I've been telling y'all this entire week where I wanted the market to go, and the market has really been doing everything that we've been expecting it to do. So like, if y'all haven't made bread this week, then that's just crazy, because I really have been calling it out. All right, so it took out this liquidity right here, so made a couple $1 million right there. And then we had this other liquidity level. This is the real level that I was aiming for. You probably can't see it. This was the real level that I've been aiming for this entire time. Every time I'm live, I'm like, yo, it's a lot of money down here. I feel like it really has to come here. And then it made this double bottom as well. And I was like, oh yeah, it's definitely about to take this out. So it came down, took that out. The market made a couple $1 billion. And then it actually took out this level too. And on my other broker, oh dang, it didn't take it out on here. But on my other broker, I actually had buys. I had buys right here, and I ended up closing them out, and I should have got back into them down here. But I mean, shoulda, coulda, woulda. So I didn't get into these buys down here, but I did get into a buy right here pretty much because I figured it was gonna retest this level. So I am in a buy right here. I got a lot of positions though on my other broker. All right, so let's just go to the daily time frame right now. So if we start off on the daily, what's up, Anna? If we start off on the daily, we can see that it took out pretty much all of the liquidity that we were looking at this entire time, and then it came back, retested that little level, and now it is bullish as of right now. But if we're looking on a daily time frame, I mean, I've been telling y'all the whole time, just based off of the daily, like, it's not giving us a real reason to sell it on the daily time frame. So yeah, on the daily, I am still bullish. If we go to the 4 hour time frame, but also remember that this is equal high, not equal high. This is an all-time high right here. So I do feel like price is gonna at least retest this all-time high, or probably retest to this level. And then, I mean, after it does that, there's no real telling what is it gonna do. But we go down to the 4 hour time frame. If we mark out all of our levels on the 4 hour time frame, these are the targets where it's aiming for. Right now it's at yesterday's high. I tell y'all all the time, yesterday's high and yesterday's low. Those are the biggest, most pivotal points on the price chart. So right now it's literally at yesterday's high. We got this level, and then we got this level right here. And then we also have this, which is essentially equal highs. So this is low key a target where it could be aiming for. But if it's gonna aim for up here, if price is gonna come all the way up here, more than likely it's gonna be going to the all-time high again. So I mean, these are the levels on the upside, the targets where I feel like it will be aiming for. On the downside, I don't really see it completely reversing. If it does, that will really be crazy. But it came down, it took out these little liquidity levels. So now I feel like it's aiming for these liquidity levels, because this is where, you know, it's more money at. Let's go to the hour time frame. So yeah, it's definitely money right here. It's definitely money right here. Even this level, this is low key equal highs as well. You got boom and you got boom right here. So these are all just targets that I'm drawing out where I feel like it could be aiming for. So if anything for today, I would expect it to at least come up to right here to 45076. That's where I would think that it'd be aiming for. And I mean, it is Friday. Usually on Friday when they make a move, that joint just go. So if it does hit this level, it might just keep going and then it might come up to here. All right, but that's, you know, that's kind of trying to guess too much. But if I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame right now, the market is gonna open in 4 minutes. For me, I would say that I'm bearish. I mean, I'm bullish on this, which means that I would think that this is gonna go up in the next 4 minutes. I do think that this is gonna go up, and these are the targets where I feel like it'll head to. But if price starts to trade below here, if price starts to trade below 44905, then it might be aiming for these lows again. All right, that's, you know, because the market can do whatever it want. So let me just go ahead and delete this. So the market's gonna open in 4 minutes, and we're gonna see what happens with that. So that's first thing. All right, now the next thing that I want to talk to y'all about is the wave trader. All right, so if you was on a live yesterday, or if you've been watching me for a while, you know, I've been showing y'all the wave trader. Y'all have seen the wave trader evolve over the past months, or like pretty much over this. It hasn't really been a year yet, but over the past months, and y'all seen it win, y'all seen it lose, and like y'all seen everything. So the wave trader right now has a 65% win rate, and it's usually about 50% accurate until it hits a win streak, and then that's when it pretty much starts to make bread. But what I just did, I increased the stop loss by a lot. All right, so the stop loss, and you can see it right here. I don't know if y'all can see that on y'all screens, but the wave trader 1.6, this one is a high risk bot. Now only a few other people inside of the group have access to this version, but this one has a super high risk. Each trade is gonna risk at least $700. So you know how usually my trades usually last like 1 minute or whatever. For this right here, I'm essentially not trading with a stop loss. All right, and we're just gonna see how it go. You feel me? I am using this with live funds, and we're gonna see what happens. All right, now I already know, because I got the money counter right here. I already know the times where I am in drawdown: $300, $200, $500. It's gonna be everybody in the comments talking junk, and I just gotta I would just take it, son. I would just take it. So you guys are gonna see the wave trader take a trade in 1 minute. I don't know the direction that the wave trader is gonna do, and honestly, it don't even matter. You feel me? Now, the reason why I did increase the stop loss so much is because with this new stop loss, based off of all of the tests, it has like a 90%, it was like 98%. It's 97%. It was a 97% win rate. So like out of a year, it literally only lost like 2 times. So we gonna see, man. We gonna see how I work with live funds. And yeah, when I got on live, I did call out a buy. Shout out to anybody who did get into a buy right now, or who got into a buy. The market's gonna open in about 30 seconds. As I said, I am bullish. I drew out the levels already where I would expect it to head to, and it's heading to them right now. Dang, it's doing it before the joint open. But shout out to everybody who making bread right now. Definitely called it. This is gonna be the first level. This is the real level where I'll figure it's gonna head to, and we gonna see, man. It hit it before the market even opened. 3, 2, 1. Wave trader got into a sell, which means that we want it to go down. This right here is a scalp, so the more it goes down, the more money that we are gonna make. This is if you're using a wave trader. As I said before, up and she going up. As I said before, the stop loss for this right here is like all the way up here. So We just gonna take any kind of drawdown that wants to come with the bot. We're gonna accept it. But it did hit this target right here, which I showed you guys. I told y'all that this is where I was expecting the market to go to. Shout out to anybody who did take a buy. Shout out to anybody who did make money with that, because I definitely called it, son. Definitely called it out. And she's still going. I'm in a sell. Or the wave trader took a sell. The wave trader took a sell, but I called out a buy. So like today's one of them times where I tell y'all like me and the wave trader are not on the same page. She's still going, baby. She's still going. Shout out to anybody who in a buy right now. Definitely called it out, son. Let's go. I know y'all like, bro, why you saying let's go? You losing money right now. I'm actually in buys on my other account. So I'm looking at my other account right now. But I am in a sell on this account and it is down. But I'm not even really tripping about this, because as I said, just based off of all of the statistics, man, this joint, it rarely loses. So okay, that's perfect. So my bad if y'all see me get quiet on here, that's because all right, so my bad. I'm trading in, like, trying to talk to y'all at the same time. All right, so it hit this level right here, which I pretty much called out. We was expecting that to happen. I should close out one of them. Should I close out one of my buys? It's only like 40 points. Fuck it, I'm not gonna close it out. I do think that price is gonna come up to here. I don't know if it's gonna do it today, but I do think that this is I do think that this is the next target for the day. Not for the day, but on the upside. I could have took some of that though. I was in a buy, won $20. Let's go, Fred. Did Mia just post something? $77 using the wave strategy. Let's go. Let's go. We love to see it. So look, if you want to learn the strategy that I use when I call out these trades, man, that is a part of the starter pack. When you click the link in my bio, if you want to get access to anything that I have, click the link in my bio. You will have access to the starter you will get the starter pack. That's $500. There's only 18 spots left for that. Once those 18 spots are over with or taken, then it's pretty much gonna be over with. So if you are somebody, you know, who've been watching for a while, and you know, as I keep saying all the time, I call out trades, but then you also see the bot as well. And actually, dang it, bro, now that I'm thinking about it, this means that the people who got the regular bot, it would have lost again today. Yeah, that blows me, honestly. That's like every day this week. It's like every day this week, son. Also, I do have trading signals. You guys are gonna see a trading signal get called in like 1 second. Or I guess not. Why ain't do it? I don't know. I don't know why I didn't call it out, but it should call out soon. Powell speaks today. I ain't worried about Powell, man. Why you use a bot when you could just trade? Because I could do what I want. Nah, because I like trading with bots because, I mean, when you trade manually, you got to sit here at your computer and you have to do everything manually. You feel me? When you have a bot, you don't got to worry about that because the bot is going to do everything for you. So, like, I mean, although this trade is in drawdown, you feel me? It is negative right now, but I'm 97% sure that price is gonna end up coming back down here, and I'm gonna it's either gonna take me out at break even or it's gonna close for a small profit. Like 90-some% sure that that's what's gonna happen. But also, if you was on my live when I first got on here, if you heard me call out a buy, put a 1 in the chat. When I first got on live, what direction did I say this was gonna go in? If you was on my live yesterday, What happened yesterday? If you was on a live the day before that, what happened the day before that? So for the people who be like, oh yeah, bro, he got a bot cause he can't trade. Come on, man. Don't be stupid, man. Don't be stupid, man. I feel you though. If you don't think I could trade, that's what's up. You know, it don't really matter to me. Your opinion does not matter to me. All right, so it did take out these levels. It hit these levels not perfectly, but you know, it did take out these levels as we predicted. And I told you that this was essentially equal highs right here. You can see that price. It hit these equal highs, and now it's reacting from it, and it's coming back down to my sell entry. If you guys are not following me, definitely follow me. Remember, this trade right here was not taken by me. This trade was taken by my bot. And this is by the new version, the 1.6 version. Hold on, let me get off this screen. Let me go on this one. This is the Wave Trader 1.6. The Wave Trader 1.6 does have a high risk, okay? It does have a high risk. And the reason why I'm saying that is because the high risk, the reason why I'm saying that is because the stop loss for this bot is a lot larger than the real, the 1.4 version. It's a lot larger. So like if you have the 1.4 version, then that would hit stop loss. And I'm not gonna lie, the past month, not the past month, well yeah, this month in August has not been good for the Wave Trader, for the 1.4 version. And that's because the stop loss is, fuck, Alexa, next song. Dang it, bro, I'm gonna get copyrighted again from that. I gotta take that song off the playlist. I forgot what I was saying. This is the bot right here. This is the high risk version of the bot. So it's in drawdown right now. Oh, so like this month for the Wave Trader hasn't been the best, man. And that shit, it pisses me off, honestly. It really does. All right, it should be a signal sent now. Bro, why the signals ain't being sent? Oh, it turned off. All right, so no signals were sent out today. So if you were waiting for a signal, it's a wrap. It actually should have sent one out, honestly. How accurate is the bot? So the bot usually, the 1.4, was my joint like this the whole time? The 1.4 version is 65% accurate. This version right here that I'm using, the 1.6, it has a 97% win rate. So although it's in drawdown right now, I'm pretty sure price is gonna come down and either take me out at break even eventually. It might not happen today. I'm sure it probably will happen today, but it's probably gonna come down, take me out at break even, or it might even hit my take profit. Who knows? Just gotta wait and see. Where can you get a bot? If you want to get my bot, the one that I have currently, you can get 90-day access to it if you click the link in my bio. Everything that you get access to when you do that, let me just show you. So this is the website right here. If you click the link in my bio, this is pretty much where it's gonna take you. You can see the testimonials. This right here is the Wave Trader. It explains pretty much everything that it does. But these are the different packages that you could get. The first package is a starter pack. You have 90-day access to the Wave Trader. You'll get the university. The university is where I teach the strategy. So like when I'm coming on live and I'm literally telling y'all like, oh yeah, you know, I think it's gonna go up, I think it's gonna go down. Like for the people who've been on my live for the past 2 weeks, I ain't even bragging, son. Like everything that I say is gonna happen is literally been happening. It's literally been happening. You see people inside of my Discord, they're using the strategies that we teach inside of the university. This is Mia. She made $77 today. This was at 9:30. She made $77 with the wave strategy. This is Finesse Gaming with the 9:30 strategy. He made $104. This is literally today. He just posted this just now, actually. Sheesh, let me get off this because the joint's still going up. Now I'm down 100. Smooth 100. Sheesh. So yeah, we just gonna wait. You feel me? This isn't a drawdown, and I'm gonna just take the drawdown, man. I know it's gonna be some people who come on. I don't know why I can't talk. They gonna get on here and they gonna laugh at me, but it's cool. You know, I ain't tripping. Where's the stop loss? Ain't no stop loss, man. Ain't no stop loss. Shout out to US30 though. Shout out to anybody who got into a buy. Did any of y'all buy this? Cause I called out a buy, son. I called out a buy. Bro, you called out a buy, but you're in a sell. I know that's what you're thinking right now. I know that's what you're thinking. You called out a buy, but you in the sell, bro. Is that what y'all thinking? Same move on gold. Let me see what gold. Nah. I mean, gold is going up, but it's definitely not the same move. This is a real move. Gold didn't look like this at all. Then why you go against your thoughts? So I didn't go against my thoughts. So I have a bot on this account that you guys see, and the bot actually took a sell. So me and the bot were just on two different pages, and that happens sometimes. We're looking at US30. So on this account, I'm in a sell. On my other account, that's like, y'all see, I keep looking this way. On this account, I'm in a buy. I'm in multiple buys. I'm actually in a lot of different positions on this account. Because it's different types of traders out there. You have a scalper, and the wave trader is kind of like a scalper. So it's kind of just, it's low-key trying to get that quick bread, you feel me? Even though this trade right here is not quick bread, it's actually losing bread right now. But you have a scalper, that's somebody that's in and out, in and out, in and out. You have an intraday trader, that's somebody who's looking for the big move of the day. I'm more so like an intraday trader. I do like looking for that big move of the day. That's why when I get on live and I'm calling out like, yeah, you know, it's a buy, it's a sell. Like, I literally called out a buy when I first got on live. Price was down here, and I said, yeah, at 9:30, it's gonna go up. It's 9:43, 13 minutes later, price is up right now. So definitely called it out, son. And I'm gonna post this live on my YouTube, and y'all can rewatch it, and you can see if I'm capping or not. But then you got an intraday trader. That's somebody who's looking for that move of the day. And then you have a swing trader. A swing trader is somebody who's looking for the move for like multiple days. And then you have a position trader. So like on my other account right here, this other account, I'm in position trades and I'm in like swing trades. So, well, this account is more position trades because I got buys, I got sells, buys, sells, all of that. You say, bro, just good at marketing. I appreciate that. I don't know if you're trying to say that's as an insult, but that's great. Why would you trade without a stop loss? That's the number one thing you cover, risk management. It does have a stop loss. It's just a really, really large stop loss. Hold on, I'm trying to get to all of the messages. We're looking at US30. US30. How did you get the AI bot to trade for you? I coded it myself. News happening at 10. Fed Powell chairman well, that's what's up. I like when news is happening because that's when it's gonna make the market move. So the 1.6 has a 90% win rate. Yeah, so this right here, the version that I'm using, 1.6, it has a 97% win rate. And I already know y'all looking at this and y'all like, bro, there's no way you losing right now. I am losing right now on this trade right here. This trade is in drawdown right now, but I mean, we just gonna see. You feel me? I ain't hiding from nothing. I'm not you know, I'm being pretty transparent with this. So we gonna see what happens. And yeah, I mean, if it loses, it loses. But if it wins, it wins. You feel me? We gonna see though. But shout out to anybody who got into a buy though, because I definitely called it, man. All right, hold on. I'm trying to get all these questions. I know I'm gonna be facing a lot of criticism. I literally just changed the settings to this yesterday. This is my first day using the new settings, and I already knew people was gonna come in here talking junk, but yeah, it don't matter to me. I'd rather someone who keep it real. Facts. Lots of news today. I like news. Y'all gotta understand, news is what makes the market move. Why you calling the opposite of what you did then? You said it was gonna buy, but you didn't buy. I did buy. I'm in buys on my other account. For this account right here, I only let the bot take trades on this account. So that's why I'm not in buys right here, but I am in buys on the other one, on my other account. And I called this out before it happened. I know some of y'all just hopped on. I know some of y'all are just hopping on here, and y'all like, bro, this dude is cap. Like, or what? You saying, oh, shout out to the buys, but you in the sell and you down $100 right now. Like, I understand that, but you gotta understand that I got two different things going on. Show the other account with the buy. No, I'm not gonna do that. Mainly, I just don't want to, honestly. I mean, you could think it's cap. I know people gonna think I'm cap regardless. But what's not cap is me coming on live saying that this was gonna come up before all of this happened. And as I said, I'm gonna post this on YouTube. If you go on my YouTube channel, which is right here, I posted I think it's been like the last 5 days, because I go live every day. If y'all not following me, man, definitely follow me. I go live pretty much every day at 9:20. I analyze the market. I tell y'all what I think is gonna happen. For the past 5 days, the market has literally been doing what I said it was gonna do. Are you able to show real data of this bot working in 1 year? That's what I'm doing right now, man. I more like scalping than swing trading because I'm so traumatized when the bot swings. See, it's all about your personality. I like to see my money grow. You feel me? Scalping is cool, but scalping be first off, it be fast as hell. And it's cool when you make, $1,000 in a couple minutes. Like, that's cool. But I don't know, man. Something about like me just being on a beach and like looking at my phone and I see my joint, like I see my profit going up $100, $1,000. You feel me? Like, I like stuff like that. How you trading on MT4 and I just got the plug. You feel me? Just got the plug. He said, yeah, bro, you're potentially losing hundreds just to make 100. I mean, yeah, that is true. That is true. 10 a.m. news. Let's go. We gonna see what happens. I'm looking for a certain model to form. Can you stop the bot from trading? Yeah, I could turn the bot on and off whenever I want. He said, this man is just good at marketing. That's actually a great compliment. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. 10, news is at 10. Why are you entering? Because I'm not afraid of news. Why trust a bot? They usually blow up after time. It all depends on the bot that you have, man. The reason why I trust this bot is because I made this bot myself with my knowledge. And it's like, I mean, if I'm not, honestly, I'm gonna be 100. I honestly don't even trust bots, other bots. You feel me? But I do trust this bot because I made it myself. I know what I coded into it, and I know what it's looking for. And like, I ran the test in the background, and I've done it for a very long time. So like, I'm not like a big bot person, and I know that might seem contrary to what I'm, promoting. But I'm promoting my stuff. I'm not promoting bots and like, I mean, it's other bots out there that I've seen that, apparently they do good. I don't know. But I trust this because I made it. And I have 1,000% faith in myself. So that's why. Trading news is crazy. Hey, man, we'll see, man. He said I'm cooked. Why you trading with a bot? Why not? Make 1.2 off of bullish last week. That's what's up. How do I get this bot? Click the link in my bio. Buy open. Shout out to anybody who took a buy. Alright, so apparently it's supposed to be news at 10. That's what all y'all saying. Now, If you guys are not following me, man, definitely follow me. Don't let this right here, don't let this scare you, man. Do not let this right here scare you, son. So this is where price is right now. We can see that the market has moved about 500 points so far. On average, it moves 396 points. I truly believe that, you know, they say where in the bio, it's literally the website on the bio. It's literally the website there. The TP is right here. The stop loss is huge. The stop loss is like all the way up here. So as I was telling y'all yesterday, with this bot right here, the risk to reward. Oh, I actually have it on here. Hold on, let me show y'all. I think it's this one. So this isn't actually, no, it's not this one. 2K. Alright. I'm gonna just run it again so y'all can see it, and then how much you make? Oh, good morning, love. Thank you. I made $200 today on your call for the buy. Let's go, queen. Come on, man. I'm out here feeding the streets, son. I'm out here feeding the streets. He said, bro is unprofitable. I helped her make $200 today, man. I'm unprofitable. That's crazy. I mean, I am in drawdown right now, so I'll take it. You feel me? I'll take all the criticism when I'm losing, and this is what I'm gonna just start doing, bro. When I'm on here losing, like especially like this, I'll take all the criticism. Y'all can call me cap. Y'all can say I don't know what I'm doing. I'll take it, man. I'll take it. But I'll tell you one thing that I would never do. I would never watch somebody and waste my time on somebody's live if I don't think they know what they're doing. This was a bot play. Yeah, the sell was the bot taking the sell. And yes, the sell is in drawdown by a lot right now. But we just gotta wait and see what happens, man. We gotta wait and see what happens. Okay, then I'll leave, bro. Peace. Hope you have a good day. Powell about to move the market. Yeah, we gonna see, man, in 7 minutes. As I said, I do think it just makes sense because this right here is a double high, or this is like equal highs right here. You feel me? This is equal highs. So it just don't make sense for price to come up here and then reverse. It could do whatever it want, but I definitely feel like it's gonna come here, take out some of this liquidity, and if it comes here, more than likely it might even retest the high of the day again, or the all-time high again. And after it hits the all-time high, so like this is the all-time high right here. After it hits this all-time high, it could just blow straight by it. You feel me? My stop loss is all the way up here, but after it hits the all-time high, it could just blow straight by it. And if it does do that, then yeah, this is definitely gonna be a huge loss. But I would think that it's gonna hit the all-time high, probably come up a little bit above it, and then I don't think it's probably not gonna happen today, but probably sometime next week. Next week it might come down to and take me out of this trade. We just gotta wait and see though. You feel me? Nobody knows what's gonna happen. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. Even some of y'all in the comments, man. I know y'all super smart. I know y'all are experts out here, but we gotta wait and see what happens. So with the 1.6 version, this trades every day. All right, the 1.6 version trades every day. Fuel for the tank. That's a fact. I thought that was the real Jack. You bullish? Yeah, I'm bullish. Or I was bullish. I ain't gonna say I'm bullish right now just because the market, it already made its move. Like I wouldn't be trying to get into a buy right now because it moved 500 points so far today. On average, it moves 400 points. So it's already above the daily range, like the average range. So it's kind of like, I don't see a reason of buying it again. I mean, you can buy it again and then aim for right here. But it's kind of like, well, no, I mean, you could buy it, aim for right here. Your stop loss will either be below here, or below here. I mean, whatever one you decide. But we all know when it's news, the news is gonna bring a lot of volume in the market, and it can spike anyway. You feel me? So I know I always say, you know, this is not financial advice, but then I still give y'all a trade. I'm not gonna give y'all a trade. I mean, I am still bullish on this, but I don't think it's a good idea to get into a buy right now. Caught a 4K play. Let's go. That's what's up. Are you gonna show us the stats of the 1.6? Yeah, I'm running it right now on the on my other broker. Hold on, man. It's just taking time. Oh, I got started over. My bad. I got started over. I showed y'all of it already though, but I'll show y'all again. So as that runs, once it's done, I'll show y'all pretty much how it performs over a year. What is this trade? We're looking at US30. Average Discord seller. And you are a average lame. King of paper trading. King of being a hater. Is gonna fill the gap. What gap? My joint didn't gap. Do you still manual trade? Yeah, so I did take buys on my other account. I called out buys when I first got on live. I know people don't believe it. I know people think I'm capped. I know everybody in the comments, bro, get out of the trade, bro. You're losing right now. Cut the loss. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the help. You feel me? I appreciate all the help. But I'm not gonna listen to y'all. I'm gonna just, you know, let it do what it do. But I did call out a buy when I first got on live. Price was right here. So shout out to anybody who did get into a buy, because that is up 200 points right now. 200 points is a lot of money, man. That's a lot of points. That's a lot of points for y'all that y'all could have made. It'll get green. I mean, I'm not even worried. As I said, like, it's based off of math for real. It's all based off of math. And it's only $100. Like, it's only down $100 right now. So I'm definitely not tripping. What's 100? I spend $100 every time I step out the crib, which is crazy. I could still be wrong though. You know, I'm not better than nobody on here, you feel me? I'm just talking. I ain't even talking about nothing. It's going down. I feel like your trades are better than the bots. Low key. But as I've been trying to tell y'all, like, it's for the past like 2 weeks, or really this month. This month, yeah, the trades that I've been calling out have been hitting. You feel me? And I'm not gonna say that, you know, I'm surprised by it, but it is kind of crazy. Like, everything that I've said is gonna happen this month has literally been happening. Like, it's kind of like I'm telling the future or something. But that's just what it's doing right now. You feel me? A month before that, last month, it wasn't like that. Last month, the bot was winning and I was wrong. You know, so it's really just a give or take type thing. You feel me? So, like, yeah, I mean, sometimes it's going to be times where I'm right and the bot is wrong. There's going to be other times where the bot is right and I'm wrong. There's going to be sometimes where we're both right. It's going to be sometimes where we're both wrong. It's just, you know, give or take. It's time. All right, we got about 20 seconds, man. We're going to see what happens. I really wanted to come up here first, though. Like, that's what I really wanted to happen. I don't want her to drop right now. I don't like this 4-hour close. Yeah, I created the bot myself. I needed to jump. I wanted to go up right here first, and then I wanted to drop. Or retest the high. Retest the high. Boom, there we go. And if it's gonna hit this, it's probably gonna hit all-time high. Oh shit. Now I'm down 300. Alright, cool. So that's what I wanted to happen. Now I want it to go down. Now I want this motherfucker to drop. All right, let me get out of these buys on my other account. And she's still going. Sheesh. Close, close, close. Close. Shit. Shout out to anybody who took a buy, man. I called this joint out. Hold on, man. I'm trying to close these joints. Oh, she's still going. Okay, I'll take that one. Should I close out another one? Ah, I got to. Ah, she's still going. It will be the first day that I use the bot on live with the new stop loss that it start dropping like that. That's crazy. It will be the very first day. Sheesh, all-time highs is going stupid right now. Oh my God, what is happening? Bro, I'm up so much bread right now. Not on this account. I know y'all looking like, bro, you're losing. I am losing on this account, and that's actually crazy. And it's heading straight for my stop loss. Lord. Just my luck. But this other account is going crazy. All right. Should I close it? Just close it. Okay. How much should I make? So I'm up. Oh, y'all can't see it. I don't know if y'all can see it. I made $1,000. Keep a runner. Yeah, I got multiple runners on the buys. I have multiple. Sheesh, I am hot right now. Yo, shout out to anybody who took a buy though, bro. I called that shit out too, son. Dang, why she gotta do me like that though? Why the first, bro? This is literally the very first day that I use this bot right here with the big stop loss. This is the first day ever. And it would put me in stupid drawdown on my very first day ever, son. That's crazy. I ain't even mad though. I ain't even tripping. I think that's really amazing. Still making money. How much you up, Queen? I go live every day at 9:20. You using a trading bot? Yeah, on this account I do have the bot. It took a sell. And the sell is in stupid drawdown right now. It's actually kind of crazy. But as I was telling y'all this. I've been telling y'all, whenever the market hits an all-time high, it's either gonna blow straight by that high or it's gonna hit it and then reverse. And you see right now, it's low-key just blowing straight by it. But if we look at it, today has moved 800 points. It moved 800 points today. On average, it only moves 400 points. So, like, today is a crazy day, bro. Today is a crazy day. Done for the day, 7 bands. Let's go. Sheesh, let's go. 7 bands. Yeah, man. It's power, man. It's power. Shit got me sweating right now. I still got mad trades on my other account though. I'm still in mad buys right now. Take your profit. It's more red folders? The hell? So that was 10 o'clock. Sheesh, at 12 o'clock, Trump about to speak. Wait, what happened with Bitcoin? Bitcoin ain't do nothing. See, I knew they was doing this on purpose. This whole thing, how it was not moving this entire week, bro, they did that shit on purpose. They did this on purpose. What happened with gold? Oh, okay. Now I see gold making a move. What's happening? Bro made 7 bands today. I love that. That's what's up. If you guys are not following me, man, definitely follow me. I go live every day at 9:20. And although y'all see that I'm down right now, and yeah, this is real. I'm actually down with that right now. That's on this account. But I did call out a buy, man. I called out a buy when I first got on live, bro. And I'm gonna post this live on my TikTok. I'm gonna post this on my YouTube channel. And y'all should be able to, y'all go watch it and y'all can see for yourself. Like, damn, he really did say everything I said was gonna happen is literally happened. I didn't think it was gonna go all the way up here though. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely didn't. Shout out to Finesse Gaming. To see Finesse Gaming. Hold on. Shout out Finesse Gaming. $252 for the day. He got back in 2 more times. Let's go. Love to see it, man. Love to see it. 2.6. Let's go, Andrew. Shout out everybody making bread, man. See, I don't know why people be hating on me, man. I want y'all to make money, man. I'll be happy when y'all make money. But people be wanting me to lose. He said, damn, bro, you losing. Hope you be back in profit. Yeah, this is losing. I hope it'll be back in profit too, honestly, but it don't matter. It's just money, honestly. Do you have logs on the bot to understand the entry reason? Yeah, I have logs. I don't show the logs though, cause I feel like that would give away what it's doing. 2,400. Sheesh. Hey, Queen, I need you. Can you like DM me and say that? Can you like send me in a DM and be like, thanks, I just made this because of you, or like something like that? I would appreciate it if you will, or if you can, or any of y'all, man. Like, if any of y'all can message me or comment on one of my videos, and you know, because people be thinking I'm cat, man. People think I'm cat. People think I don't know what I'm doing, and I be calling this stuff out, son. It is flying. Hey, can you explain how this works? Do you recommend a complete beginner to do this? I mean, yeah, I recommend a beginner to do this because there was a point where we were all beginners. You feel me? There was a time where I didn't know any of this. I didn't know what the blocks mean. I didn't know what, none of this meant. You feel me? So we were all beginners at one point. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. No, I'm definitely not about it. I'm not taking no more new trades. Um, I didn't take so this is a sell down here. The bot took this sell, and I mean, that's just what the bot wanted to do. You feel me? What was I saying? Oh, for a beginner. So this right here, I'm gonna do this kind of fast. This right here is the market. All right, and when I say the market, it don't matter if it's forex, crypto, stocks, gold, oil. When I say the market, like if you're able to trade it, that right there is considered the market. All right, now when it comes to the market can only go in two directions. It can either go up or it can go down. Now, it could also go sideways. This right here is a great example of it going sideways. But even when it is going sideways, it's still going up, down, up, down, up. All right, so it can only go up or down. You will never see a market go sideways in a straight line. If you ever see that, well, you will never see that. But think of the market like a heart monitor. You feel me? If you ever see a heart monitor, it'd be like going up and down. And when you see it, you have a delay on your mic. Is my mic good? If you ever see a heart monitor go sideways, that means that you're dead. You feel me? The market is never dead. Dang. See, now I see what it is. As long as I'm in a trade, that's what keep my views up. People want to see the money, which I kind of already knew that, but it's funny because I'm losing money and there's still a lot of people in here. I think that's very interesting. But it can only go in two directions, either up or down. All right. Now, when it's going up, it doesn't just go up in a straight line, and then vice versa. When the market's going down, it doesn't just drop in a straight line. Why this shit's still going up? The market moves in waves. It makes a certain pattern. All right, and there's two ways you can get into the market. You can either buy the market or you can sell the market. When you buy the market, that means that you want it to go up. The more it goes up from wherever you buy it at, the more money that you're going to make. When you sell the market, that means that you want the market to go down. The more it goes down from wherever you sell it at, the more money that you're going to make. So if we're looking at this trade right here, my bot took a sell, but you can see that the market is going up. And as it's going up, you can see that the money is going down. Like as it's going up, you see that I'm losing more and more money as it's going up. All right, that's because we're in a sell, which means that we want it to go down. That's actually crazy. This is the first day I use this joint on live, and it would do this the first day. That's actually amazing. Sheesh, this bitch still going, cuz. Still going. He gotta use a bot because he can't master himself. Get off my meat, bro. Get off my meat, bro. She's still going up, though. I'm not gonna lie. I was very confident in this trade, just based off of history. But yeah, this one ain't looking too good, man. Go up a couple more points, it's gonna be a wrap for her, boy. So the negative number moving is you losing money. Yes, this is money right here that I'm losing right now. So since you bought in and it's raising, why are you... So, no, I'm in a sell. That's why it's losing. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see it. Dang, my joint wasn't even showing the whole thing this whole time. So I'm in a sell, which means that I want it to go down. So the fact that it's going up, that's why it's losing money. How you got AI and still lose trades? Y'all actually funny. How much money do you have in this trade? So if this trade loses, I'm gonna lose like $700. Nothing is 100%. That's a fact. You confident, but you use a bot to take control. Some of you guys will never learn, man. Some of y'all will never learn. Why you trade the news? Why are y'all so afraid of trading news? All right, hold on. Let me show y'all this, man. So, listen. This trade right here, yes, it is down. It's down about $500. All right. Now, I know I'm probably giving off a persona like I don't really care. I actually do really care. I want to win, of course. But I mean, shit, it's only money. You feel me? It's down 500. If I lose, I'm gonna lose 700, and it's okay. I got a lot of money in this account, and a $700 loss is what it is. All right. Now, when I got on live, and I know a lot of y'all just hopped on here. I know a lot of y'all just hopped on here and y'all probably like, oh, this dude don't even know what he's doing. He using a bot. You know, y'all just being haters for no reason. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a guru or anything like that. Bro, you're the only person who say I have a delay. You're the only person saying I got a delay. So I'm not, yeah, I don't know. But when I got on live, I do this every day. I analyze the market in front of y'all every day. I called out pretty much what I was expecting the market to do. And when I got on live, I literally called out a buy, okay? I told everybody on live what I was expecting to happen, all right? And I'll just rewind pretty much what I was saying. This shit is still going up, which is actually crazy. But price was right here when I got on live. Price was right here. I told everybody the targets. I said price is going to be aiming for here. And I said it's going to be aiming for here. And then it'll be aiming for this level. And I also said if it's going to aim for here, more than likely it's going to retest the all-time high, which is right here. Now, I didn't think it was going to blow past it like it's doing right now, which is all good because I am in buys on my other account. It is a lot of people. People, I know y'all think I'm capped and y'all say, oh, you said you was in a buy, but you're not in a buy. I literally made $1,000, all right? I already made bread. You're really encouraging me to do this. I already made bread. I already made $1,000. Not on this account. On this account, I'm definitely losing. All right, and I'm not trying to hide it. I'm not capping. It's definitely losing right now. And free, fuck. I want this joint to go down. You know, this might be an L though. I ain't even gonna cap. This really might be an L. But my other account, I should really close out some of these buys though. Which one should I close out? I'm gonna close out another one. Fuck it. All right. So I just closed out another one, and I just made. Now I'm up 1,500 for the day. It was just 1,200, so now I'm up 1,500. You can see it right there. All right. So. I do want this shit to drop though. Golly, son, I'm not trying to lose this trade. So, all right, so it finished. Let me show y'all now. I got you, Ed. I ain't forget about you. I had to wait for the test to finish. Let's do 1.6. So we'll name it. All right. So when it comes to the bot, all right, this is the bot that I'm currently using. So. Overall, this is with the exact settings that I have right now. Out of 372 trades, this is since March 7th of 2024, which is over a year ago. All right, over a year ago. This is using the exact bot. This bot right here. I know it's in drawdown right now, and this is just a crazy coincidence. Honestly, it's just a crazy coincidence right now that. The first day I use it, it might be the first day that it loses in a very, like, rarely that it loses. It's just crazy that today might be that day. And if that happens, that's cool. But out of 372 trades, it only lost 10 times. And honestly, it really lost less than 10 times because what it does is, like, this 74 cents, it counts 74 cents as a loss. So it really lost less than 10 times. So I'll just scroll down and I'll find some real losing trades. Well, I mean, you could count it on here, honestly. So you could see the equity curve and we could see where it lost. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. So it was really 4 times in over a year. 4 trades in over a year that this bot right here took a loss. Now, it doesn't show you the drawdown. It doesn't show you the drawdown, and there's gonna be times where you're gonna be in huge drawdown. Like today, you see, I'm in huge drawdown right now. And I mean, today is, I don't want to make excuses, but today is just one of them weird days because of, like, it's huge news, the Powell news, and then Trump about to speak, and then it's like another red folder. Like, this is just one of them rare occasions. But I mean, it is what it is. You feel me? If it loses, it loses. You know, I'm not tripping. But yeah, I mean, you can see it for yourself. I'll scroll down to like current time. This would have been today, but this don't really count because this is the trade that I'm still currently in. So for the test, it just closed it out at the end of the test. So we will not count that one. So like yesterday, you would see that it won. The day before that, on the 20th, it won. On the 19th and the 18th, that was pretty much a break-even day. On the 15th, it won. So pretty much we'll just look for the last real loss that it would have had. And I know it sounds crazy for me to sit here and say that I got something that's 90%. And I know that sounds crazy. And that's going to bring a lot of skeptics. And I feel it, man. I can't even argue with it because it's like, I can't argue with it. I am testing this out in real life with this is my real funds. This is really my first day of using this version. And as I said, it's just a crazy coincidence that the first day that I use it might be the first loss that it took in like months. But I mean, we just gotta wait and see. You feel me? Nobody knows. But like the last time that this joint took a loss is literally January 14th. January 14th. I don't know, man. All I can do is go based off of the data that this joint is giving me. You know, all I can do is go based off of the data that it's giving me, and then I can test it out for myself after that. And that's what I'm doing. I'm testing it out for myself in real life. So, you know, if you just now following me, or if you just now seeing who I am, you should definitely follow me, and you can see this stuff happen in real life. You can see this stuff happen in real time. So when I go on live on Monday, this trade is still going to be active, and you're going to see if this joint ends up hitting my stop loss or if it ends up coming all the way back down here. Y'all gonna literally see it. You said, why are all of the wins $35? Because the lot size for every trade is the same. The lot size for every trade is the same. So this is the lot size right here, and you can see the lot size is 0.10 for every single trade. So the bot is an algorithm. So it's like, it's based off of an algorithm. The bot gives a stop loss in the TP. Yeah, it gives a stop loss in the TP, but the stop loss is huge. So like for this bot right here, it has a really high win rate. As you can see, it has a 97% win rate, which is crazy. And I know that sounds crazy for me to sit here and say that out loud, but hey, it is what it is. You feel me? It's giving you, it's telling you right here. And I'm showing y'all in real life, or this is my first day and it's losing right now, but we gonna see. We just gonna see. And so like today is the start of something. Today is the start of a new journey, and y'all about to witness this entire journey. So if you want to witness the journey, you should definitely follow me and just follow along, son. Yeah, this is the one that we're using right now. This is the one that we're using right now. Are you waiting for a dump, or are you waiting for Trump? Are you waiting for Trump? Honestly, I'm not even waiting for nothing. I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm not waiting for nothing else. Your hair looks tight. Appreciate that, man. My hair is actually like a month old. I need to get it redone. I got in early, too early. I seen that play coming yesterday. Oh, so that's what I was gonna say. So this it has a really, really high win rate, but it has a bad risk to reward. The risk to reward is not good. All right, and I can literally tell y'all that. So like, you see these are all like small wins, small wins, small win. All of these wins are really small wins, and then boom, you got a huge loss. And then you got small win, small win, small win. Like this is like a month of time, and then boom, you got a huge loss. Like this right here would have been a bad time to be using it. All right, but then you got a huge. This is probably like 4 or 5 months of just winning trades, and then boom, you got a huge loss. So it's kind of like, I mean, it's give or take, man. You can either have a 50-50 risk to reward, a 50-50 risk to reward with kind of like a 60% win rate, or you could have a super high win rate with a bad risk to reward. Bro, that says you lost 97% of the trades. Oh, man. Some people are just dumb, bro. Some people are just dumb. East Side, I have to get ready for work, but good luck on your journey. I appreciate that, man. If y'all want to be a part of the journey, definitely follow me. Come on, man. Don't be dumb, bro. Profit trades. Percent of total. 362 trades were profitable. 97% win rate. Lost trades. Lost trades. Where is it? Percent of total. 2% is a 2% loss. All right. And this isn't even really right because it counts any negative as a loss. So like 74-cent loss, it counts that as a loss. Yeah, man, I can tell you lost, bro, because you over here commenting stupid stuff, man. The minimum for CoinEx is a 1.0. The broker that I was using to run that test, I don't think they don't accept US clients no more. That's why I don't promote them anymore. But with that broker, and that's the other broker that I'll be using when I'll be like, yeah, you know, I'm looking at my other broker. That's the broker I'm talking about. But excuse me, they don't take US customers no more. Wait, I ain't see it. I'm working. So how many trades were successful? I just repeated it, man. I said it like 3-4 times, man. You even just said it. 97% of the trades were winning trades. listen, you guys are seeing me in front of y'all right now. I'm being super transparent. I'm in this trade right here is a huge losing trade. You feel me? It's definitely losing right now. I'm not hiding it. You know, like it is what it is. It will be very dumb of you to listen to a random person in the comments, okay? When I'm literally right in front of your face, I'm answering all y'all questions. I'm not hiding from nothing. It'll just be dumb for y'all to just listen to a random person in the comments, all right? If y'all want to do that, y'all can, but yeah. This bot right here, you could get the 90-day version for $500, and you're also gonna get the course. You just gotta I'll go to the website real quick. I'm not even supposed to be on live still. I'm about to get off here. But it's 3 different packages. The starter pack is $500. You're gonna get 90-day access to the Wave Trader. The normal version of the Wave Trader has a 65% win rate. The version that I'm showing y'all right now, this is the high risk version of the bot. All right, this is the high risk version, so y'all gotta understand that. And how I'm gonna do it is, if you decide to get it, I'm gonna just ask you, do you want the high risk one or do you want the normal one? And whatever one you decide, that's the one that you're gonna get. But yeah, you'll have access to it for 90 days. You're also gonna get the course. The course is gonna teach you the strategies that I use. So when I come on here and I tell y'all, I came on here today, and I know I keep saying it, but it's a fact. I came on here today. I analyzed the market in front of y'all. I told y'all, yeah, the market is gonna go up. I think the market is gonna go up. I told y'all why. I told y'all where I thought the market was gonna go, and it literally did exactly what I said it was gonna do. It did it yesterday too. The day before that. This whole month has been doing exactly what I said it was gonna do. All right, so people ask, yo, how did you know it's gonna go up? How did you know it's gonna do that? I teach that inside of the course. Okay. You're also gonna get access to the Discord community, and you're gonna get a bonus tool from the Wave Pack. The Wave Pack is a set of different indicators and tools that we use that can help you out. So like, I'll show you the tool that you'll get. This is the tool right here, or this is the indicator. It's called the market data indicator, and it just gives you market data. So like me looking at this, I can see that the market has moved 800 points so far. On average, it moves 400 points. So the market has doubled today. So like, it wouldn't make sense for you to get into more buys because it already has doubled its daily range. You feel me? And I know all of that. I can come to that conclusion because my indicator is telling me that. It's telling me the high of the day, the low of the day. It's telling me all of that. Who created the bot? I created it myself. I literally coded the bot myself. And every time I say that, you know, people gonna always hate on anything that I ever say. They gonna always think I'm capping about something. But I literally coded the joint myself. This is the code right here. I think you need to hire a new robot. We'll see, man. We'll see. Today is not good. I ain't gonna lie. I really can't even say nothing because today is just like, I'm over here looking like, damn, bro, that's crazy. The first day that I use it, out of all of these winning days, all of these winning days, this will be the day where it lost today. You feel me? That's just crazy. It is what it is, though. It really is. So yeah, you'll get all of that with the starter pack. With the elite pack, you'll have 1 year access to the Wave Trader. Same thing. If you want to get the high risk one, you could get that one. If you want to get the normal one, you can get the normal one. You'll also get the full university. You'll get the Wave Bot. The Wave Bot is a trade manager, so it will manage all of your trades. And then you'll get the Wave Pack, which is the full pack of indicators and tools that we use that can help you when it comes to trading. You'll also get the VIP Discord access. Inside of the Discord right now, I do have signals. It didn't give out signals today, but it did give out signals yesterday. Shout out to everybody who made money from the signals yesterday because it did do that. And yesterday was the first day that it actually sent out signals, and both of those signals were winning trades. But you'll have access to that, and that's for the $1,000. And then for the premium, you'll have lifetime access to the Wave Trader. And I'll probably give you both versions, whether you want the risky one or if you want the regular one. I'll probably give you access to both of them for life. You'll have lifetime access to the university. So whenever I learn something new, whenever I update, because the Bridge University has always been updated, like I always update it. So whenever I have like a new update or whatever, you'll always have access to that. You'll have lifetime access to the trade manager. Damn, this joint's still going up. That's crazy. It's making new highs. Wow. Wow. You get lifetime access to everything, and you'll get one-on-one onboarding. So I'll literally walk you through how to set it up. Any questions that you have about it, I'll answer your questions on like a one-on-one call, and then you'll get priority support. So like if it's a group of people who need help, I'll help you first out of everybody. It's half the page, so I'm working, so I can't hear you. I'm on a call. It's showing half the page because it's a small window. So like I'm just scrolling. What you see on your screen, I mean, unless you got a different kind of phone, but like it's only 2 things that's being shown right now. I don't know if you can see that, but if you can't see this, I mean, you could just go to the website yourself and you can see it all. All right, man, I'm gonna get off live though. So just an update. I am gonna post this on my YouTube channel. I know a lot of y'all, I've been telling y'all, yeah, man, I called out a buy. I know I keep saying that, but I'm in a sell and I'm losing. But as I keep saying, this right here is from the bot, and the bot is just a losing trade for the day. What else? If you want to get access to anything that I have, the link is in the bio. So called out a buy. People made bread from that. I'm currently in this sell. And if it goes up further, then my stop loss is right here. If it hits the stop loss, then that's just crazy. It is what it is though. And we'll see. When I get on live on Monday, we'll see what happens. Appreciate y'all for being on here with me. Shout out to anybody who made money. Yeah, man, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. Y'all have a good weekend. I want to sell too, but I ain't seen nothing yet. Yeah, man, don't sell until they give you a reason to sell. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate all the love. We had a lot of people on live today, and I think it's because I was losing. I really think that's why. So it's all good. All right, y'all. Peace.